Hi everyone, this is Indiana Jack, and this is a very informal unboxing of a Canon Rebel SL2, an entry-level digital SLR camera. I'm using it specifically for video, not for pictures, so everything I'm going to be telling you is about video and not pictures. We do have an SD card. Have you ever tried to open one of these without scissors? I challenge you to do it. I wonder if someone has made a video about that, to try to open up one of these SD cards without scissors. Even with scissors, it's a pain. But the box does not come with an SD card, and you really don't even have to have one, I don't think. Anyway, this is the unboxing of this. A real unboxing, not a fake unboxing like some people do. It's the first time we're actually opening this. You get a manual and all of that stuff. And inside, battery, awesome. Gotta have a battery. And this is proof that I did not open this ahead of time. This is actually the camera. It is so light. Woohoo! There she is. And I got the kit. Battery charger. So the kit, if you get it, comes with a lens, just a basic lens. But I was impressed in the store. This is the one that they had. And I did watch some other reviews. And every review about this camera and this particular little lens was very positive. 18 to 55 millimeter lens, Canon. So that is the official unboxing. And I am going to get footage, video footage from this camera and show it to you and tell you what I think. And we'll be right back after this. I won't be using the viewfinder. One reason I bought this camera specifically was because it had the flip around screen. So a lot of times you do shots where you need to see the shot from where you're shooting from, like a selfie. But you can do it the old-fashioned way and just click a picture. Wait a minute, stop the tape. Did you notice what I noticed? All right, let's rewind, and I want you to watch this. Watch the footage. I'm going to replay these back. There's big blotches on the screen. That's not acceptable, and it doesn't go away. So I need to do something. This is wrong. I'm going to take the camera back because it's defective. Well, during my review, the digitized blotches, I'll call them, nothing I could do would make those go away. I tried different SD cards and everything. So I'm convinced it's the camera. So I'm taking this one back, and hopefully they'll give me another one. I got a burrito and I have wet ones because I don't want my hands to be all greasy when I handle the camera at Best Buy if I have to demonstrate the digital blotches. So We're on our way 37 miles to Best Buy to return this camera. And yes, I know I can buy cameras online. Because every time I mention buying something, people always want to mention, did you know you can buy that online and get it delivered to you? Yes. Thank you. Now you don't have to mention that. All right, now we got to go in there and fight with them. And hopefully they have another one. They have one that's white. If they try to give me that white one, I ain't going to take it. A camera needs to be black, in my opinion. I don't want a white camera. So keep your fingers crossed. Now let's wash our hands because we got chicken grease all over them. Would you want a camera returned with chicken grease all over it? It's not really chicken, it's burrito grease. Same difference. Thank you, wet ones. We appreciate it. And the pixelation won't show up until we actually filming the filming. Well, the man in Best Buy wanted me to buy a new SD card, and he said that's what my problem was. I didn't buy the high-speed SD card. So I said, no, you go get another SD card and put it in and try it, and then we'll decide. So he did. He went and got the highest speed SD card that he could. We put it in, and sure enough, we got the pixelization again. And so he gave me a new camera, brand new camera, and replaced it with no problems at Best Buy. Okay, we're not going to do a whole unboxing, blah, 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 the same thing we already did. We're going to test this, though, before we leave the parking lot and make sure it works. So, let's test it out. So, because I don't want to drive back here again. That's pretty much concludes our mini review of the Canon 200D camera. By the way, I switched cameras around. The one you're watching on that straight ahead one is actually on the Canon 200D, and that shot is the other former camera that I had as position number 1. So you be the judge. I can't tell that much difference, but I haven't seen the footage yet, you know, close up and everything, so I really can't judge, but you be the judge. I did notice some things that really were superb from any other Canon camera that I've ever had in the past. It has dual pixel AF with excellent face detection system. It's really good. Digital cameras that I've had in the past did not have that so good, and it would always go in and out of focus quite a bit. It's great at low light. That was a great feature. I didn't get any footage of it at low light, but the little playing around with it that I did, was very satisfied with it. And stay tuned to this channel because you'll be seeing a lot more with that camera, the Canon 200D, which we will be using a lot in the future. And it's a great low-priced digital DSLR camera at only $550 at Best Buy. You can probably find it cheaper online at Amazon and everything, where everything is always cheaper online. One feature that I really like is it has Wi-Fi capability. I can take my cell phone, which is not on me at the time, with the Canon app, and I can download the footage right to it, to the phone, or I can actually control the camera right with my phone if I want to do that remotely, and that's pretty cool. Thank you for watching. I'm Indiana Jack, and this is a mini review of the Canon 200D. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to more and more reviews. We're going to be doing things like this. We've been doing reviews here since about 2009. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time. And doing microphone. This part. And stupid thing. Hate criminals. It's criminals is why they have to do this. I hate criminals. I don't have a knife.